Hi everyone, and welcome to this really quick tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to download as well as re-upload your recordings in case you experience this message. As you can see, I recorded this class last week and unfortunately it didn't upload automatically. So first things first, I'm going to download it. You only have a short window of 20 days, so try to do that really quickly. Now, once your download has completed, you should receive a message saying so. This will most likely be your file. I recommend prior to re-uploading this file, you go ahead and rename that really quickly. So we're going to name this 9 to advanced, and then the date. And then the date was the 25th, so 25th of March. Okay, so that way it's a little bit easier for you to find. Now, when you want to re-upload it to your Microsoft team, you've got a couple of options. The easiest is just to upload it right here in the class materials folder. So that's files, class materials. I recommend just creating a new folder here by clicking on new folder. We'll call this video recordings. And now all we've got to do is simply open that folder, click and drag. Once it's on there, you should receive a message, and that's all you have to do to upload and save your videos.